Welcome to this radio video, and this is something that I was thinking about for the past few weeks in order to kind of help out in even having more, not just more views and more interesting content. Starting as of today, we will have daily radio related tips, all sorts of little tips, things that will help you enjoy your hobby more. It could be a DX tip, something special happening. It could be a tip on a way to set up your listening post or your radios or, suggestions to make your listening hobby even more interesting. And so they could be of any kind. And of course, we will be there every day of the week. On the weekends, there could be tips. There could sometimes not be tips. It all depends. Daily tips might not show up on days of live shows because there are already a lot of content to be given there. But I will post daily tips as often as possible, and hopefully you'll enjoy. And so they're all going to be, of course, related to radio. And hopefully you'll enjoy these and maybe have more fun listening with your radios and enjoying maybe some of the stuff, maybe things that you don't know about or things that you will like. So of course we'll go in all the directions with these little tips and tricks for your radio listening fun. So I hope you enjoy this new feature that's going to start today. So sometime today I'll be posting my first radio tip, and hope that you find that is an interesting new feature. Most of the tips, what I'll do is probably be kind of there, make a video. You'll see my face, and I'll be talking about whatever tip I have to talk. There are sometimes tips that I will be related to online content, maybe. So these will be, of course, done using the screen recorder. But hope you enjoy, and hope that you find that it's maybe a good idea to have shortwave, medium wave, and long wave radio tips of all sorts that will show up on this channel. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.